In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Stripe account, providing you with a full breakdown tailored to different account types, devices, and security setups. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or someone who just wants to seamlessly manage their finances, mastering the login process is your first step towards harnessing the power of Stripe's features. Let's dive into the standard method of logging into your Stripe dashboard if you're using a full account. This setup is most common among business owners and developers, and it's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Firstly, open your web browser and head over to the Stripe login page by entering the URL dashboard.stripe.com/login. This will bring up the login interface where you'll need to enter your email and password. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries here to ensure there are no typos, as this is a common hurdle people face during login. Next, you might be prompted to complete a two-step authentication process, an essential security measure that protects your account from unauthorized access. You have a couple of options here depending on your previous setup. You might use an authentication app like Google Authenticator, or you might receive a verification code via SMS. Simply follow the instructions presented to you. Authentication apps usually display a time-sensitive code that you need to enter on the Stripe login page, while SMS codes are straightforwardly sent to your registered phone number. For those of you who have enabled passkeys like Touch ID on Apple devices or Windows Hello on compatible Windows devices, there's an even quicker way to access your account. This is a passwordless login option, which is not only convenient, but also highly secure, as it uses biometric data that others can't easily replicate. Simply follow the prompts to use your device's fingerprint reader or facial recognition system. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Stripe dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage your payments, view analytics, and much more. It's important to ensure your internet connection is stable throughout this process, as any interruptions might log you out or prevent successful login. Now let's talk about troubleshooting, in case you encounter any issues. One common problem is forgetting your password. If this happens, don't worry. Stripe provides an easy way to reset it. On the login page, simply click on Forgot Your Password. You'll then receive instructions in your registered email to reset it. This makes sure you can regain access without any hassle. I hope this comprehensive guide has made it clear and easy for you to log into your Stripe account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.